This brings up an idea, and hear me out. What if there was YouTube Olympics?
Okay.
Okay, so hear me out.
What would the events be?
I'm glad you asked.
Okay.
Now I'm flying by the seat of my pants here.
Let's do it.
The events are going to be genres. So you're obviously going to have cooking.
Okay.
So these people that do, I'm sure there are food influencers out there. All right, cook a meal in real time. You know, like that's the event. You take like the top 10 cooking.
Is there a
YouTubers.
social media aspect to all this? Like, did they got to post a video about it?
Live stream it.
No.
Live stream it?
We take all these people off of YouTube and make them do it.
Test their actual skills.
Yeah.
See how many of them are fake, are making it just for YouTube.
Yeah.
Interesting.
What are some other events or things that you could? So like cooking easy. Okay, like bring 10 people in. Boom, make a dish with this. Like what else you got?
Woodworking.
Well, I feel like you could stack things here. Like, yeah, you could have like the woodworkers build the sets.
Yeah.
That all these other people are going to end up using.
True. Although you get the
so on and so
YouTube
forth.
woodworkers to build the sets and then
It's
try and film them. They'll collapse and be lost.
Or they're all made out of like 3/4 inch, white oak, quarter-sawn white oak.
You got to build prototypes too. But like, the reason I brought it up is like, I remember when I did that festival build off.
Yeah, you were saying. I remember.
There were some people that were like using these tools, and I'm like, oh God, this is scary. And these people are woodworking influencers. Like, whoa.
Was it? I keep meaning to ask you off air who it was, but was it like safety related issues, or was it? I don't know.
Misuse.
It was like, you've clearly never used one of these before.